Good morning, Year 7. We are going to do a little bit of mixed practice here at the beginning before going into our new work today on expanding brackets. So to quickly do these prior learning questions, 7ag minus 2ag, 7 take away 2 is 5ag. In question B, we have 4c plus 5c, that makes 9c. Then we have minus 3d plus the extra 1d. Minus 3 plus 1 is a negative 2d. In question C, we are multiplying. So we want to do 3 times 4 times 2. That is 24. And then we have 2a, so that will be a squared, 1b and 1c. 24a squared bc. And finally for D, 15 divided by 3 goes 5 times. The m will cancel the m, and so there'll just be an n left. All right, hopefully that is getting easier and easier. Let's go to our new work on expanding brackets. Expanding or eliminating brackets involves writing an algebraic expression without brackets. So that is the goal. We want to get rid of the brackets in these questions. Okay, in question 1, I'm going to show you a method, but it's not the method that I'll be getting you to practice a lot of, but it does show you why it works. So this is called using repeated addition. So it says repeat the expression that is inside the brackets and then collect like terms. So the number outside the brackets is equal to the number of repeats. So if you have 2 brackets a plus k, it means you need a plus k twice. So I have a plus k once there, then I want to add, here's the second one, a plus k, and then I'm going to collect like terms. A plus a makes 2a. Then k plus k is going to make 2k. Let's try that again. So that's my final answer there. Question B, 3 lots of 2m plus 5. So that means I want 2m plus 5, that's 1. 2m plus 5, that's my second one. And then 2m plus 5, there's 3 of them, all added together. And I can collect up like terms. So 2m plus 2m plus 2m will make 6 m's. And 5 plus 5 plus 5 will make a total of 15. Okay, but you can imagine that if you had a big number at the front of your bracket, then there could be a lot of things that you end up multiplying together. So this is not a method that we want to be using all the time. So instead, we have another method that is called the distributive law, which we're going to be doing in question number 2. And what it does is it times the number out the front of the bracket by each thing inside, and you will get the same result. So let me show you. If you do 3 times 2m, 3 times 2 makes 6m. There's your first one right there. Then you have a plus, and you do the second one. 3 times 5 makes the 15. Okay, so let's do that lots and lots of times so that you get used to it. So expand using the distributive law. We're going to do 5 times x, which is 5x. Then we have a plus sign inside our bracket, so we write that down. And then we do 5 times 3, which is 15. And that's it. Let's do another one. 3 times a is 3a. Plus 3 times 2b, 3 times 2 is 6, and the b. Question C, 5 times 3w, 5 times 3 is 15w. Then minus 5 times 1 is 5. Question D, 8 times a means 8a. There's a minus sign, so we put the minus sign down. 8 times 4 is 32. Question E, getting more letters in here. 5a times 3p. 5 times 3 is 15, And then we put the letters down in alphabetical order, A, P. Then we have a minus sign in our bracket, and we do 5 times 7, which is 35, and I have an A and a Q. Question F. 6m times m. Well, 6 is the only number there, so 6, but m times m will make m squared. Then a plus 6m by 2n. 6 times 2 is 12. Then we have m and an n in alphabetical order. For G, 3y squared times 2y cubed. 3 times 2 is 6. The y squared times the y cubed. Remember that squared means 2 of them, and the 3 on that means there's 3 of those. So altogether, there is 5. What you are doing, the short way, is that you add those powers together. Y to the power of 5. Then we have a minus sign, and we want to do 3 times the 5, which is 15, and you will also have a y squared on the end of that one. Okay, so now you're ready to do the distributive law in exercise 10.